Etapa 5, sección 8. Describe la naturaleza, lección 4 de 6.
The lion hid in the grass.
El león se escondió en el césped.
I see a bright green frog under those brown leaves.
I see a bright green frog. I see a bright green. I see a bright green frog under those brown leaves. I see a bright green frog under those brown leaves.
I see a bright green frog.
Frog.
Did you see that crazy purple frog?
Tuviste sapo morado. No, yes, en slow in the tree. Está hablando en el árbol y eso está saltando en el árbol. The dog knows, yes.
Black.
Just look at its amazing wings.
Solo mira estas. Yes, that call inside. Yes, what does not for
The mouse hid from the cat behind the refrigerator.
The mouse hid from the cat behind the refrigerator. El ratón se escondió. The mouse hid from the cat behind the refrigerator. Se escondió del gato detrás del refrigerador. Nose. The little boy is fishing with his family at the
Stream.
Veo una gran ambiente. I see a bright green.
¿Puede terminarle la mano, por favor?
Frog.
Terminarle la mano, buen día.
El león se escondió en el césped.
The
Lion
lion
hidden
in the grass.
Hide. The lion hide.
Flies and many other insects have 2 or 4 wings.
Wings. Sentémonos contra la raya.
Us. Sit.
By the stream.
Stream.
The bird has a broken wing.
There's something on my nose.
El león se escondió en el césped.
The lion
Hid
hid
in the
the
grass.
grass.
Nuestra meta es ser una